Skipping ahead to problem number 3 on the covalent bonding worksheet, you're given oxygen plus oxygen gives you O2. And what we need to do is show how the covalent bonding occurs. And so first step is to draw our oxygen atom with the valence electrons around it. Oxygen is in group 6 of the periodic table, and so it has 6 valence electrons. Our second oxygen, remember we're going to show valence electrons using X's. That way when we go to pair them, we can tell which electron belongs to which oxygen atom. And now here, what's going to happen when these bond together is because it's a covalent bond, the electrons are going to be shared. Remember, electrons are not going to be, that should not be there. Electrons are not going to be gained or lost, but they're going to be shared. And so this electron from this oxygen is going to pair with this unpaired electron, and the same for this also unpaired electron is going to pair with the other oxygen unpaired electron. And so when you're finished, what's going to happen is you're going to have 2 oxygen atoms bonded together. They're going to be bonded together by sharing 2 electron pairs. And you just have to remember to include the electron pairs that were already there in the beginning of the problem. So in the beginning of the problem, we had 2 paired electrons for the first oxygen atom and 2 paired electrons in the second oxygen atom. So we're just going to go back and make sure we put those there in our final answer. So I'm going to put, it really doesn't matter where you put them as long as they're paired. So I'm going to put them like that so it looks symmetrical. And same thing here. And now we're almost completely done. Our final answer, it's incorrect to use these X's and dots. So what we want to do is show our covalent bonding by using hyphens. And remember, one hyphen represents one pair of electrons being shared. And so since we have 2 pairs of electrons being shared, we're going to show that using 2 dashes. And so our final answer is right here in the box.